Hello and welcome back to the Chop Busters. In today's video, we're checking out 20 amazing tools you can get for under $100. Whether you're a DIYer, a pro, or just love smart gear, there's something here for you. Let's jump in. Pimp-my-folding-rule set. The Pimp-my-folding-rule set is a 4-piece kit priced at $40.80, designed to upgrade a standard folding rule. It includes a high-quality folding rule and 3 top accessories: a marking gauge for precise scoring, a mini level for picture and workpiece alignment, and an internal dimension adapter for accurate internal measurements. Made from durable 2-piece plastic, this set is perfect for enhancing your measuring tasks with practical, reliable, and efficient tools. DCA Cordless Drill Set. The DCA Cordless Drill Set, priced at $34.99, delivers 336 inch-pounds of torque with 18+1 settings for precise control on wood, metal, and walls. Its 20 volts, 2.0 amp-hour battery drives up to 800 screws per charge. 2 speeds suit various tasks. A flexible shaft and LED light aid work in tight or dark spaces. Weighing 2.8 pounds, it features a durable pure copper motor for strong, efficient performance. High-speed ratchets. The high-speed ratchets, priced at $69.99, are designed for precision and durability. A recessed forward/reverse switch on the back of the head prevents accidental activation during work. The low-profile head fits easily into tight spaces like engine bays. Built-in LED lighting helps illuminate dark work areas, while the onboard fuel gauge shows remaining battery life at a glance. Powered by RedLink Intelligence, the tool communicates with M12 batteries to prevent overheating and overloads. AikTryee Laser Level Line Tool. The AikTryee Laser Level Tool, priced at $9.95, is a versatile device ideal for DIY and home projects. It projects vertical, horizontal, or cross lines with a simple slider switch. Built-in 0 degrees, 45 degrees, and 90 degrees bubble levels enhance accuracy. An integrated 8-foot tape measure includes both imperial and metric units. Perfect for hanging shelves, picture frames, or tiles, it offers precision, ease of use, and great value for indoor tasks. DEKO Cordless Drill. The DEKO Cordless Drill, priced at $35.99, is a versatile and lightweight tool ideal for DIY projects and home repairs. Powered by a 20-volt, 1.5 ampere-hour lithium-ion battery, it features 2 variable speeds and 18+1 torque settings for greater control and precision. Weighing just 2.5 pounds, its compact design makes it easy to handle and carry, even during extended use. Includes battery and charger. DEWALT Cordless Screwdriver. The DEWALT Cordless Screwdriver offers professional performance in a compact design, priced at $89. Featuring the innovative Flex Drive collar, it allows 360-degree slide-to-drive control, eliminating traditional button restrictions. With up to 44 inch-pounds of powered torque and 124 inch-pounds of manual finishing torque, a 2 ampere-hour integrated battery delivers up to 680 screws per charge at speeds of up to 360 revolutions per minute. RYOBI 10-inch trimmer. The 10-inch string trimmer, Josh Edger, priced at $98, is the lightest in its class, under 4 pounds, making it ideal for small yards. Powered by an included 18 volts, 2.0 ampere-hour lithium battery, it offers over 35 minutes of runtime, or up to 132 minutes with a 6.0 ampere-hour battery. Easily convert it to an edger with a twist of the shaft, and enjoy added comfort with the overmold handle. Wet Dry Vacuum. Priced at $68, the RYOBI 18 volts 1+ bucket top wet dry vacuum offers powerful cordless cleaning for both wet and dry debris. Designed to fit most 5-gallon buckets, it combines portability with high performance. It features integrated storage for the included 4-foot hose and crevice tool, making cleanup easy and organized. A built-in blower port adds versatility, while the lightweight 4.25-pound design makes it ideal for cleaning cars, workshops, and more. 3 3/8-inch circular saw kit. Priced at $89, this 3 3/8-inch circular saw kit features compact extreme technology and a 12-volt max lithium-ion battery for portability and performance. It includes a battery protection system to prevent over-discharge, overheating, and overload. With a bevel capacity of 0 degrees to 45 degrees and cutting depths of 1 inch at 0 degrees and 5/8 inch at 45 degrees, it ensures precise cuts in tight spaces. The 1,500 RPM speed and ergonomic grip ensure smooth operation. Finishing sander. The Makita finishing sander, priced at $87.78, delivers fast, smooth sanding with a powerful motor and 11,000 orbits per minute. Designed for precision and comfort, it features a contoured rubberized palm grip, low-profile housing for better control, and a rigid aluminum foot for stability and reduced vibration. 4.5-inch angle grinder. The Bosch angle grinder, priced at $100, combines comfort and power in a compact 4.6-pound design. Its 10-amp motor delivers up to 11,000 RPM for high-efficiency grinding and cutting. The narrow grip zone and multi-grip paddle switch ensure all-day ergonomic control, while the anti-vibration side handle enhances comfort during extended use. Built for durability, it features epoxy-coated windings, double-sealed bearings, and direct motor cooling. Dremel 3100. The Dremel 3100, priced at $59.98, is a powerful and versatile 1.2-amp corded rotary tool designed for both DIY tasks and creative projects. It features 5 variable speed settings for precise control across a wide range of applications, from cutting and sanding to polishing and engraving. Engineered for performance and sustainability, it delivers 33% more power than the Dremel 200 and runs 10% cooler than the 3000, thanks to improved airflow. Belt sander. This 10.8-volt cordless belt sander offers mains-level power with a 2.5 amp-hour lithium-ion battery, delivering 30-plus minutes of full performance use. Built with a die-cast aluminum gear head and reinforced polyamide housing, it's durable and lightweight. Features include variable speed control, a quiet, long-life DC motor, a 60-degree rotating head for flexibility, and a soft grip zone for comfort. It outperforms other cordless sanders in its class with power and precision. Heat gun. The BLACK+DECKER HG1300 heat gun, priced at $37.99, features dual temperature settings for versatile use. Ideal for stripping paint, loosening rusted bolts, thawing pipes, and quick drying, it offers reliable performance in a lightweight, compact design. The built-in stand ensures safe cool-down, and a glass protector is included for added convenience during use. BLACK+DECKER Jigsaw. The BLACK+DECKER BDEJ's 600C Jigsaw, priced at $49.98, features a powerful 5-amp motor delivering up to 3,000 strokes per minute for efficient cutting. Its curve control technology offers 4 orbital settings for customized performance, while the adjustable beveling shoe allows angled cuts up to 45 degrees. WORKPRO Wire Pliers Set. Priced at $23.99, the WORKPRO Wire Pliers Set includes 5 essential pliers crafted from durable CRV steel with a heat-treated, corrosion-resistant finish. The set features hardened cutting edges, anti-slip bi-material grips, and is ideal for plumbing, automotive, gardening, and general household use. VEVOR 30 Pieces Pocket Hole Jig Kit. The VEVOR 30 Pieces Pocket Hole Jig Kit, priced at $50.99, is made from CNC machined aluminum for durability and precision. It offers adjustable drilling depths from 1/2 to 1.5 inches and includes a titanium-coated drill bit with stop ring. A stainless steel extension rod boosts clamping support, while a chip outlet keeps workspaces clean. The detachable guide block allows portable angle drilling, ensuring stable, accurate results for any woodworking project. Demolition Jackhammer. The Demolition Jackhammer is priced at $63.99 and delivers powerful performance with a 1,400-watt motor and 19 joules of impact energy, making it ideal for concrete and metalworking tasks. Built with a high-strength alloy chuck for durability and corrosion resistance, it's suitable for both professionals and home users. TOLSEN Magnetic Wristband. This durable and comfortable magnetic wristband is designed to keep small hardware like screws, nails, bolts, washers, and drill bits within easy reach. Priced at just $4.08, it features 6 powerful magnets embedded in a rugged 1,680 denier ballistic nylon outer layer. The breathable mesh lining with soft microelastic material ensures sweat absorption and long-lasting comfort. 15-inch SuperBar. Delivering maximum prying power at just $14.99, the 15-inch SuperBar is designed with a unique shepherd's crook rocker head for superior leverage. It's perfect for prying molding, scraping surfaces, and pulling nails. Crafted from drop-forged, heat-treated, spring-tempered steel, this tool offers long-lasting durability. The 3 beveled nail slots make extraction effortless, while sharp, polished blades ensure smooth and efficient operation for both professionals and homeowners. That's it for our list of 20 great tools under $100. If you've got a favorite or a suggestion we missed, drop it in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.